Tell Daddy you want to get in that driver's seat. She said, please.
Well, I'm still finna drive.
You gotta get in the front seat, niece.
Oh, yeah.
So you can watch how Daddy do it. And how old you is?
11.
11? Y'all be safe. What you doing over here, Chuck? Yes, I got her. Let it go. Let it go.
Let it go.
It's like another love TK. Hey. Sing it, Chuck.
I think I better let it go.
Yes, sir. Hey, bro. Yeah.
Take this in for me.
I got you.
I need another piece of number.
I got you. Got you, baby. So special about that one?
It's the man in the house right
The
now.
man in the house? That's the man in the house right there? That's a big boy. Auntie, you better win, Auntie. Better win.
I'm glad to win.
He said I'm ready tonight. Hey, Chuck, she ain't too tall, Chuck. You got it. You Everybody, what we doing, Chuck? Dancing to the music on the radio, having us a what they gonna do? Yes, sir.
Hey, listen here, fish fry. You feel playing? Stop playing with me.
Stop playing.
Stop playing with me. You know
What kind of fish we got? Oh, we got shrimp. What kind of fish we got?
Okay, we got crappie, we got catfish, we got some bass down in here, we got some bluegill, we got some shell cracker. You feel me? Hey, it's all in the day's work. King him. King him. King him.
King him.
King him. I am him.
We got you. What?
In the middle of a cotton field.
I drink my blood for a liquor.
Hey,
My mama, granddaddy still.
sing it, Uncle Bino.
We live in Mississippi. Mississippi
Here's my home. Hey,
And if you think I'm gonna leave Mississippi, you might as well leave me alone.
oh, woo, Uncle Bino. Hey, let me see the moves, Uncle Bino. Bino, wow, what that is? Oh, Lord. Look at that shirt. Uncle Bino with the Mississippi is my home. Get my auntie over there. Auntie, you done ate all the food? I love that shirt, man. Hey, Uncle Bino, when you get done wearing it, can I have it?
Yeah.
We about the same size.
Yeah, man.
For sure.
All good, man.
Love you, mama.
Love you too.
My mama told me, she said I appreciate her taking care of my son. I said she got me, mama.
We gonna take care of it.
I know that's right.
care of it.
I know that's
Myself.
We did too.
Y'all had oxtails today? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What you ate? What fish you ate? Auntie, you eating the bones too?
I don't play with it.
Wagon'S.